Hello YouTube, and I guess I could say Hoover's Sanitary and more. Also Vacuum Collectors Club on Facebook. This is our Bug Lover 1618. Y'all all know what my other name is. I'm going to be comparing two Royals. We got here a commercial Royal cleaner, and we have it is a commercial Royal cleaner. I don't really go by what it says on the bag, at least not all the time. Anyway, they both are all metal aluminum vacuums. They're both built like a tank. This one, on the other hand, has, if it don't fall down first. This one it's got a 6-blade fan motor. And I got permission from my mom to use her brush roll. So that's why there's no belt and all that in there. This one, I think probably be easier to unadjust the height. I think this one has 9 blades in there. I don't know if y'all can see that too well. And there it is. And I don't know if you saw this one or not. Forgot this one don't have the handle release. It has the handle lock. This one has 6. That one has 9. I was able to count that one's fans quickly. This one has an adjusto-right cover on it, whereas this one just has a little rubber trapezoid shaped flap on it. I would like to get an adjusto-right for this though, because personally I think the adjusto-right gives it a better look than just a flat piece of rubber on it. This one, they both have the adjust from the back. This one just has a screw, infinite level, whereas this one has 5 release. I like the pedals better just because it's easier. I also like this one because it's more efficient than 5 height adjustments. Oops. This one has like denim shorts jacket, whereas this one is like to me it feels like a duffel bag. It's about the size of a duffel bag too. Yeah, Royals bags like that are big. Well, they're F&G style. I don't know what the real style is though, but their bottom fill bags are also big. This one has a Hoover A bag in it. I don't have any Royal style B bags. I do need to get some, and a brush roll, just so I don't have to use my mom's Royal brush roll anymore. This one, the brush roll is mainly supposed to have brush stiffeners on it, whereas this one just has like I don't know what you would call them. I think they're nylon bristles. Not really sure what else to say here. Oh. Handle lock, handle release. I do like this better than the handle release, just because the handle release, they're not really supposed to do this, I don't think. I think they're supposed to do just like a Kirby. What else? Oh, this has a cord release hook, whereas this one just has the standard. They both have amazing airflow. And also, they both have the switch on the handle, toggle switch. This one has a higher amperage motor. This has a 3 amp motor. I don't know what one this one would have. There's no sticker on it. I need to find a sticker. Or better yet, find the model number. Because that's what's going to be required to get a brush roll for it. Well, the man at my vac shop said that. Probably have to bring it up there and show him what the vacuum looks like. He'll probably be able to identify it. Either that or I don't know his name. He's classic TV man something. He'll probably, I think his name is Benjamin Edge, but I don't really remember it that well. He'll probably be able to tell me what the model number is. He's a Kirby and Royal fan, I think. But again, bag the size of a duffel bag. 5 height adjustments. Infinite level adjustments. All metal bodies. Same as this one, all metal bodies. Oh yeah, forgot about this. This has ebonite wheels. I don't know if this has ebonite wheels. I don't think so. But this one, whoops. This one here has the standard Royal wheels. Whereas this one has ebonite wheels, which are cross-drilled through for being more rigid. I don't know if rigid and virgidity is the same, but this one has ebonite wheels, which are cross-drilled. Turn it over here. And that's for being, I heard it's added for rigidity. This is also a dirt repellent wheels. Pretty much the same as I think a bowling ball is made of. And like the guy at Go Vacuums, all I can say is, when is the last time you saw a bowling alley that was all scratched up and ugly looking? I'd say never. I've never seen not one bowling alley that was scratched. And I've been to lots of bowling alleys. Yeah, I also like to bowl. But out of that, this has ebonite wheels, which does not let any dirt stick to it. If you have any dirt that's stuck to them off a carpet, or use it on hardwood floor and you have sand and dirt on it, it will not pick it up. No, this vacuum is not going to do that. You can use it on hardwood floors. You don't have to adjust it all the way down. I'd say like about there is where you would need it. You don't have to go up to the 5th height. Or maybe right there. But you don't have to go all the way down for it to work on hardwood floor. No. Same goes for that one. You don't have to put it all the way on the floor for it to do good on hardwood floors. They're pretty much identical. This one's louder and this one's quieter. I think this has maybe a 9 or 10 amp motor. And again, it might be a 7 amp like this. And that one's pretty loud too. And just comparing these two as well. This one is supposed to have a brush roll with brush stiffeners, but this does not have brush stiffeners. No, these brushes stiffen up when you turn on the vacuum. You can tell that's putting out some power. Not just because it's loud, but just the way it sounds when it's on. But anyway, I guess I could do a sound test with them too, so I'll be back. Okay, first we're gonna turn on the Royal. Notice how it's pretty loud. They're pretty much equal in decibels, and which is pretty loud. I think this is like 100 and something, and this is like maybe 101. No, wait, I'm sorry. This is 90 something decibels, and this was 100 and something. Just because I can hear this one pretty good and clear over the Royal. Try it again. I can hear that Dirt Devil a little louder than the Royal. And the Royal is pretty loud too. I will say that. So, this is a comparison between the two Royals and a sound test between the Royal and the Dirt Devil. So again, tell me how you like the video. Tell me what you all would like to see. And I will see what I can do and how I can do it like always. Oh, and also, a little message to Zachary Sharp. The switch was not connected to anything except itself. So, I did have to do a little remodeling of this. Oh, and also, I had 2 screws that worked in the thing here. So, it's pretty sturdy on there. I am a very satisfied customer. Garbage Truck House of Vacuums vacuum guy. You really give me a good machine here. And I am going to enjoy this. I'm going to say that to the entire viewing world. I am going to enjoy this vacuum and enjoy using it. So, again, tell me how you like the video. Tell me what you guys would like to see. And I will see what I can do and how I can do it like always. So until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye.